Good morning, students of class ninth. This is your science class. I hope you all are staying healthy at your places. In today's session, we will start with chapter number 14, that is natural resources. This chapter consists of 3 videos and this is video number 1. In this video, we will study about physical resources, that is air, water and soil. Students, if you have any doubts, you can send your queries in class email ID, that is class9th.vips.ldh@gmail.com. Today we will cover following topics: physical resources, air, water, soil, air for respiration, for combustion, for moderating temperatures, movement of air and its role in bringing air across India. Note: students of class 9 are assigned to read the part of unit 4, that is natural resources. They have to prepare a brief write-up on any one concept of this unit in their portfolio. This will be an assessment for internal assessment. This portion of the unit is not to be assessed in the year-end examination. That means from this chapter that we will do, you have to make one portfolio in which you have to make one write-up regarding any topic from this chapter, and there is no need to write question answers and anything from this chapter. You have to just make and write up on a sheet of paper that I'll tell you after completing this chapter, and you have to submit on the date that I will give to you. Natural resources. The resources available on the earth and the energy from sun are necessary to meet the basic requirements of all the life forms on the earth. Now, earth, it consists of 3 spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. What is this lithosphere? Outer crust of the earth. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is water on the earth's surface and underground. Atmosphere. Air that covers whole earth like a blanket is known as atmosphere. It means earth has 3 main components. First is soil, second is water and third is air. The life supporting zone of the earth where the atmosphere, the hydrosphere and the lithosphere interact and make life possible is known as biosphere. This is definition of biosphere, which means this is life supporting zone of the earth where atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere interacts, and with the interaction of these 3 spheres there is the possibility of life, which makes the life possible on earth, and this is known as biosphere. Air. Air is a mixture of many gases like nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03% and water vapors. It is this particular composition which makes life possible on the earth. It means that air is mixture of many gases. N2 is nitrogen gas. O2 means oxygen gas. CO2 means carbon dioxide gas along with water vapors. All these combine to form air, which is present in the atmosphere and covers the whole earth like the blanket. The percentage of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere is a mere fraction of percent because it is fixed in 2 ways. Now, that 2 ways are: green plants convert carbon dioxide into glucose in the presence of sunlight, and it is with the process of photosynthesis. Many marine animals use carbohydrates dissolved in seawater to make their shells. Now, we will start with other topic, that is importance of air or atmosphere. What is the importance of air or atmosphere? Atmosphere provides oxygen gas for respiration in the in plants and animals. Carbon dioxide gas for the process of photosynthesis. Medium of locomotion of flying animals. Medium for communication. Sound waves require medium to travel. Medium for combustion, as it contains oxygen which is required for burning process. It is a medium for dispersal of seeds and fruits. Now this air provide us various types of gases which are important for our survival. For example, oxygen gas, it is very important for the respiration of plants as well as animals. Carbon dioxide gas, it is important in the process of photosynthesis. Now this air is also a medium of locomotion for flying animals. That means if air is present, only then the animals or birds, they can fly in air. Now this air is medium for communication. That means sound waves require medium to travel, and that medium is air. Medium for combustion, that means for burning, as it contains oxygen which is required for the burning process. It is also a medium for the dispersal of seeds and fruits. Next physical resource is water. Water is a renewable resource. Sources of water are rainwater, surface water, lake, ponds, river, streams, etc. All these are surface water, and groundwater. Water occupies a very large area of the earth's surface and is also found underground. It means water is present on earth in very large area, and also it is present underground. Some amount of water exists in the form of water vapors in the atmosphere. Most of the water on earth's surface is found in seas and oceans and is saline. That means salty. Saline means salty. The underground water and water in the rivers, lakes and ponds is also fresh water. This underground water is fresh water. This fresh water is used for various purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, etc. Now there are uses of water. It is a universal solvent. That means it can dissolve most of the things present on earth. Fresh water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, and for agriculture, etc. It is used in industries for cooling, heating and washing. It is used in navigation and shipping, that is transportation. It is used in hydroelectric projects. This water is habitat for a large number of aquatic animals and plants. Now the next physical resource is soil. The outermost layer of our earth is called crust, and the minerals found in this layer supply a variety of nutrients to the life forms. These minerals are formed by breaking of huge rocks. These huge rocks are broken by various physical, chemical and some biological processes. The end product of this breaking down is a fine particles of soil. Now the composition of soil. Soil is a mixture of small particles of rocks, decayed, dead organisms, which is called humus, and microscopic life forms. That means soil is a mixture of small particles of rocks of various sizes and also humus as well as microscopic life forms. Now this is all for today's session. We will take the remaining part of this chapter in next 2 videos. And students, complete your work, your notebooks, your registers of physics, chemistry and biology, and also complete the activity work that is being given to you. Art integration work, that is animal cell, that was given last week, that should also be completed so that you can be given marks. So complete your work and send it to class email ID in the form of PDF. Thank you.